sunscreen is a key step to help reduce the risk of early skin aging and skin cancer. With so many ways to wear sunscreen, how do you choose? In this video, we will review the Anthelios line with the orange squares. Water-resistant sunscreens formulated for outdoor activities or the beach, but you can also wear them every day. For face sunscreens, the original ultralight sunscreen fluid is ideal for normal to combination skin. The 100% mineral sunscreen fluids come in tinted and non-tinted. Choose these if you have any sensitivity to traditional sunscreens. If you have oily skin or are concerned with sunscreen causing breakouts, choose Anthelios Clear Skin. This dry touch lotion sunscreen absorbs pore clogging oil, even in heat and humidity.